Greetings from Innovation Laser. Today let's see the full procedure of automation laser welding for the electrical cabinet's GIS cabinet. Firstly, operator manually loads the cabinet. Secondly, the cabinet is carried by the rotation positioner into the welding room after pressing a simple button. The welding room offers a friendly environment, preventing workers from dust, smoke and laser harm. 3. Welding robot detect the weld waypoint with seam tracking function. It's also called seam finding, and it may take a little time before welding. 4. Welded by robot. The program is well preset by our technician. We also can offer training for our agents or end users if needed. The positioner rotates 90 degrees. Robot detects weld waypoint again before welding. Precision is needed here to avoid big tolerances. Laser welding are comparable, high efficient, and easy to be automated. Welding speed ranges 1.2 per minute to 1.8 meters per minute. What's more, no polish or grinding process needed. Same process is adapted to the remaining welds of each side. High repeatability position accuracy is needed. We normally choose Yaskawa, ABB, Fanuc top brand robots to make sure the precision. Also, it requires professional installation and maintenance. Last step. Cabinet is carried out automatically and unloaded by operator manually. As the growing market of green energy, there are so many opportunities for laser welding applications in power industries. Our company Innovation Laser has abundant laser welding project experience in our customers' site, which are from all over the world. We helped many manufacturers which produce GIS unit and distribution boards to build their automation welding line in China. Now we build a strong after-sales team for customers overseas. Innovation Laser is ready to go.